Exercise 4E11 y equal x cube. So we have to sketch this one first. Y equal x times x square plus 4x plus 4. Y equal x times x plus 2 square. Find roots. Y equals 0. X times x plus 2 square equals 0. X equals 0 or x equal minus 2. 0, 0 or minus 2, 0. Coefficient of s cube is positive. A greater than 0 in other way. X goes to positive infinity, y goes to positive, and x goes to negative infinity, y goes to negative infinity. Now let's draw the graph. Sorry. 0, 0 and minus 2, 0. X, y, and this is minus 2, 0. Right, we sketch now. Now we have another curve y equal x plus a cube plus this part b x plus a square plus 4 times x plus a. This is part b. We have this curve. I can see that if I take this curve fx, this is fx plus a. Instead of x, they sub x plus a value. Now, since this curve going through minus 1, 0, now I want to find the a values. Only clue we have is it's going minus 1, 0. So this is minus 1, 0. Now we have two options. If I shift this curve to 1 point to right side, this point come here, still it's going through the curve. Or if I shift this point to left, 1 unit to left, then this point come here, still this curve going through minus 1, 0. It means we don't know which occasion. That's why they ask two options. Assume that if we shift this curve minus 1 unit to left, if the curve is shifted 1 unit to, I'll go right first, other side. Now curve is this one. So 0 become 1. This side has to be same. Then still this curve going through minus 1 0. What we did was we shifted to right. X equal 1 you need to write. It means x minus 1. So then I can see that if x minus 1 equal x minus 1 cube plus 4 times x minus 1 square times 4 times x minus 1, then a value is minus 1. So the translation is translation of minus 1 0 to fx. If the curve is shifted 1 unit to left, so then minus 2 become minus 3 and this is 0 become minus 1. Then the point is still the point is still go minus 1 0. Then if x plus 1 equal x plus 1 cube plus 4x plus 1 plus 4x minus 1. In that case a equal 1. Here a equal minus 1. As a translation of minus 1 0 to fx. So we have a equal two solutions, a equal minus 1 and a equal 1. To find root, this is number 12. Y equals 0, then x times x plus 1, x plus 3 square equals 0, x equals 0 or x equal minus 1 or x equal minus 3, 0 0 or minus 1 0 or minus 3 0. Then coefficient of x4 term is positive, hence x goes to positive infinity, y goes to positive. X goes to minus infinity, still y goes to positive. And this is a repeated root. Minus 1, minus 2, 3, curve go through -1 and -3. X, Y, and B, I can see if X plus B, X plus B, and X plus B plus 1, and X plus B plus 3. Instead of X now, they substitute X plus B. Now, and the data is given that this curve, new curve going through point 2, 0. Now, this curve doesn't go to 0, but we know that if we shift this curve to left 1 unit, it's this point come here and it's going -2, 0. Or if we shift to right, this -3 point become -2 and it's going to. In other way, if this is A, when we shift to left, A is going to stay at -2. This is B. If I shift this curve to right, then B is going to be, this B point going to be at -2. I think actually it is not -2. Actually, we need 2, 0. Now we look at 0, 1, 2, 2, 0. Now we have few options. I can new curve go through 2, 0. When we, it means I need to shift this one to 1, 2 units to right. Then still this A curve, if I shift to 2 units to right, then it's going to 0. Here 2 units. So that is one option. Shift fx shift 2 units. Right. That is one option. There is the second option have, I want to bring this -1 point to 2. If I shift 1, 2, 3 units to right, then this B point is here. Then 3 units to B point. It means shift to the 3 units to right. Still it works. Still this curve go through to 0. Now the other option is, if I, this C point, if I shift 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, still it will go through to 0. So this shift this curve for 5 units. Third option, shift uh, 5 units to right. Then shift 1 unit. What is the curve is going to be? If x minus 1 equal x minus 1, x minus 1 plus 1, x minus 1 plus 3 square, which is x minus 1. This is going to be x, and this is going to be x plus 2 square. That is one curve. This one. If x 3 unit, this is x minus 3, and x minus 3 plus 1, x minus 3 plus 3 square. Simplify x minus 3, x minus 2, and x square. Then the last option, 5, x minus 5. Instead of x minus 5, this one, x minus 5 plus 1, x minus 5 plus 3 square equal x minus 5, x minus 4, and x minus 2. Actually, in here, this is 2 unit. It's shall to be x minus 2. So this is going to be x minus 2. This is going to be x minus 2, x minus 1, and x plus 1. Now can you see that x minus 2 is there? If you try to find the root, you are making equal to 0, then you will get x equal to, x equal to, x equal to. It means that those three graphs going to 0. We took these three graphs by shifting the main graph 2 units, 3 units, and 5 units. So in that case, A, B equal minus 2, B equal minus 3, minus 3, and B equal minus 5. So A can be minus 2, minus 3, or minus 5. So if you want, you can write the conclusion. The curve translating of fx by minus 2, 0, minus 3, 0, and minus 5, 0 goes through 2, 0 point. Go through.